Friends, here we'll be talking about some more 2D shapes like trapezium, rhombus, etc. So let's first see how do we find out the area of a trapezium. So first of all, let's understand what is a trapezium. So trapezium is a quadrilateral, which means it's a four-sided figure with one pair of parallel sides. So we see that in this case, this AB is parallel with DC. So these two lines are parallel. So this is a trapezium. Now, if in this trapezium we are provided with the length of the parallel sides, so we have A and B are the length of the parallel sides, and we are given the height h. So we will now find out what will be the area of this trapezium. Now, first of all, to find out the area, we divide this trapezium into a triangle ADE, rectangle ABFE, and the triangle BFC. So we have two triangles and we have one rectangle that we've divided this into. Now let's first see what will be the area of the triangle ADE. This will be equal to half into DE into H, which is the height. Area of this rectangle will be B into H, where B is nothing but EF. So this B is, because this is a rectangle, EF is equal to AB, which is given to be B to us. So the area of this rectangle becomes B into H. Now area of the triangle BFC is half into FC into H. So now we can clearly take H common. So we take actually half H common, so that we are left with DE plus 2B plus FC in the bracket. So now we know that A is nothing but DE plus EF plus FC. So we can write it, this DE plus 2B plus FC can be written as DE plus FC plus B and plus another B. Now we know D plus FC plus B is nothing but A. So we replace this with A. So the area of the trapezium ABCD with the parallel sides being A and B and the height being H is given by the formula half into H into the sum of the parallel sides, which is A plus B. Let's now see how do we find the area of a rhombus. So first of all, let's understand what is a rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel. So we have AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. And another condition for rhombus is that its diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So we say bisect means AO, where O is the point of intersection of the two diagonals, AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. So now if we are to find out the area of the rhombus, we can say it is equal to the area of the triangle ABD plus the area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle ABD is given as half into BD, which is D1, into AO, which is D2 by 2. Similarly, the area of triangle BCD is half into BD, which is D1, into OC, which is D2 by 2. So it is half D1 D2 by 2 plus half D1 D2 by 2, which is half D1 D2. So we can say that area of the rhombus is half into product of its two diagonals. So friends, now that we know how to find out the area of a trapezium and the area of a rhombus, let's see how do we find out the area of any general quadrilateral. So we have any four-sided figure, any quadrilateral, and now we have to find out this area, its area. So what we do is we divide it into two triangles. So one is this ABD and the other is BDC. So we divide it into two triangles, and then we use the diagonal BD, which is the length is D, and we take the perpendiculars to BD from A and from C. So one is H1, which is perpendicular from A to BD is H1, and perpendicular from C to BD is H2. So we take these three dimensions and then we find out the area of the two triangles and then add it to get the area of the quadrilateral. So area of the triangle ABD is given by half into D into H1 plus half into D into H2. Now this becomes half into D into H1 plus H2. So that becomes the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now this method is used for finding the area of any polygon in general. So this is not specific to quadrilateral. So if we have any other figure, say for example if we have a five-sided figure like this, here also we can divide this figure into three triangles and then find out its area by finding the area of each triangle and then adding it. So this is an approach which we use for finding out the area of any polygon in general. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.